Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to show you how to use Open Broadcaster software and to use filters to clean up your audio, to remove background noise, and to improve your general audio within OBS. So as you can see, here we are inside OBS. Okay, and if I'm quiet for a moment, you can look down here and you can see that even when I'm not talking, there is quite some pickup of the background noise. It probably doesn't sound too good at the moment either. So what I have to do is click on the cog here, go to filters, click on the plus, and then click on noise suppression. So click on OK once we give it a name, and almost instantly it should have cleared up the noise. Now as you can see, it's not managed to clear it all, but it has managed to reduce it significantly, and you can hear me a lot clearer. If you find that it's too aggressive, then you move it one way, and if you find that it's not aggressive enough, you move it the other way. However, sitting at around 30 decibels, rather minus 30 decibels, seems to work fine for me. Okay, so we can close that. And as you can see, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. So, on to the next step. What we're going to do now is going to set up something called a noise gate. Now when I first turn it on, it's going to mute my microphone completely. So I'll have to play back the sentence first before I can start talking to you again. Won't be a moment. So again, we go to the cog, go to filters, go to plus, and add noise gate. Just give it a name. Okay. With those settings, it should actually kick in. It's probably not going to be perfect, so I'm going to have to change a couple of other things. Basically what I'm saying is that if my microphone or any other audio source I've got set up, in this case it's my mic and auxiliary, hits minus 30 decibels, open the microphone and start recording. If it drops to minus 40 decibels, close the microphone. The attack time is how quickly it works. I normally change that to 35. The hold time is how long it waits before it starts to close down the mic. And the release time is how long it takes before it turns the microphone off again after it hits the close threshold. So I normally set that to 250. As you can see, it's picking up the microphone when I'm talking, and when I'm quiet, nothing. You'll have to tweak these settings a little for yourself. For example, I believe I can move this down to about 23 and it still picks me up. However, it isn't as good. Sometimes misses the start of a sentence and such. 24, okay, not quite. So I've been leaving it at minus 30. And the close I usually set between 5 and 10. This really depends on, I guess, your vocal range that you're actually using when you're talking, because you know, some people go really high at some points when they're excited and really low at others, to try and level that out so you catch both sides of the scale. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.